The conversation my colleague Anurag had with Mr. Anand Rathi on the sidelines of the Rising Rajasthan Summit.
If you see, normally the government would front-end capex, but this year because of these election process, they couldn't do it. Back-end, you see, they have still spent more than half the money which they have provided in the budget. So I think, yes, the growth may not be as high as what we were talking, but still my belief is it will be close to 7%, okay. 6.8 to 7%, because this and next quarter would be again very good, and the steady is absolutely on.
Okay.
Yeah.
But sir, do you have some concerns about the private capex, because that is not picking up? The data is showing that private capex is not picking up.
Actually, it may not be going as fast as people want it to be, but it is picking up. If you see the data, the private capex is coming. Also now what I believe is that when capacity utilization in any industry goes about 75-80%, that's where the capex starts coming.
But if we see the markets, FIIs are taking money continuously, and now retail investors are losing their money because of whatever they invested. So what should be the strategy for the retail investors, and how do you look after Indian stock market for next 6 months?
I would say last 3 years have been one of the phenomenal time, okay? The markets have gone up. And, the other worry, people think that whether, profitability will go down. The EPS of Nifty companies, it's going up. This year, we expected it to go by 12%, but it's likely to be 8-9% now because of, this election phenomenon. Next year, again, I expect that at least 12 to 14% growth will come in the profitability.